Investing is how your money works for you. In this video, I'll show you the 9 things you must know about investing in order to multiply your money safely. Investing isn't just for the rich. It's how your money earns more money over time. Whether you're saving for retirement or growing wealth, investing is your best friend. Let's begin, shall we? 1. Start early, even with small amounts. Time is the most powerful factor in investing. The earlier you start, even with small amounts, the more your money compounds and grows over time. 2. Understand the risk-reward relationship. All investments carry risk. Higher potential returns usually mean higher risk. Knowing your risk tolerance helps you invest wisely and sleep peacefully. 3. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your money across different asset types, stocks, real estate, bonds, to protect yourself from big losses. 4. Don't try to time the market. It's tempting to jump in and out of the market, but timing it perfectly is nearly impossible. A steady, long-term approach wins more often than not. 5. Learn before you invest. Knowledge reduces risk. Take time to understand basic investing concepts like interest, compounding, and inflation before putting your money to work. 6. Fees and charges affect your returns. Small fees can eat into your profits over time. Always check for management fees, transaction costs, or hidden charges when choosing investment options. 7. Invest consistently, not emotionally. Market ups and downs are normal. The key is to stay consistent and avoid panic. Emotional investing leads to poor decisions and missed opportunities. 8. Set clear goals before investing. Are you investing for retirement, a home, or your child's education? Clear goals help you choose the right investment strategy and stay focused. Finally, be patient and think long-term. Wealth through investing doesn't happen overnight. Patience is your superpower. Stay invested, keep learning, and let time do the heavy lifting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs it. And hey, all the links and resources are right below in the description. Check them out.